Hey guys, it's Austin with Midwest Optics, and today we're going to be talking about the REKE line of scope mounts available from Unity Tactical that we just got on our website. Now, we are very excited about this line of scope mounts. If you guys have spent any time shooting recently, you'll know that precision shooting and scope shooting has become very popular in the last few years. I would also venture a guess that REKE culture influenced the pronunciation of the name of the scope mount, REKE. I had been calling it the REKE for the longest time, but I did watch their SHOT Show footage and they do call it the REKE scope line. Now, what makes this different from the fast scope line that already existed from Unity Tactical? And the easiest answer I can find is it sits lower. So it sits lower at a 154 height. If you guys have purchased anything from Unity Tactical that was scope mounted, you'll know they love tall optic mounts. The fast line is obviously that 226 height over bore, which is a height I actually love and I enjoy it a lot on red dots. But for something like this Night Force 2.5 to 20 behind this thermal optic, I'm gonna want something a little bit lower. And it seems like other people had the same request as well. Unity talked about how this was originally made for some type of military unit. They didn't disclose who it was, but it sounded like somebody liked Unity Tactical enough that they asked them to make some type of optic mount. So what are the benefits you get by going with REKE over a lot of the other optic mounts out there? And I want to say the biggest thing you get out of this is you get cross compatibility with a lot of the other Unity Tactical options. So if you have something like the fast MRDS, those adapter plates are going to work with this REKE top mount. You also can get a diving board for it if you're going to use something like the Impact 4000 or some of the other diving board mounted laser rangefinders that you can get on the market right now. The other accessory that is cross compatible with REKE is going to be the offset red dot mounts for the fast LPVO mounts that they make, which is going to put your red dot at a 2.0 height. And the benefit there is that even though the magnified optic is at 154, you still get that heads up posture when you roll over to the offset red dot, if that's the option that you choose to go with. I did not go that route. I went with the top dot. This is a Trijicon RCR, but it is compatible with the RMR footprint that you can get from Unity Tactical. So all those accessories are available on our website, as well as the REKE mounts itself. It does come in 2 different colors and 2 different sizes, so 4 options total. What are those options? You are going to be able to get them in black or FDE. Unity, I've said it a million times, has the best looking FDE anodizing, so maybe go that route if you're doing a FDE build. I'm gonna paint this eventually, so the color didn't really matter, but the other option is going to be the sizing, which is going to be 30 millimeter and 34 millimeter of the main tube diameter. If you've spent any time researching scopes, those 2 options are not going to surprise you. That's what most of the LPVOs and more of the higher end scopes are going to be these days anyway. So 30 and 34 millimeter FDE or black, and that's going to be the REKE line. So some other little bits of details I wanted to talk about. These do have the torque values actually etched on the other side of the mount, and that's pretty nice as well. And then when you purchase the REKE mount, you're gonna get a standard set of ring clamps as well. It's not gonna come with this top dot mount. That is something you're gonna have to purchase separately, but like I said, it's all cross compatible with the fast MRDS line of mounts. In fact, they're the exact same plates. So if you already have those lying around or you've committed to that system already, you're gonna have the parts you already need for some of that. So I hope that answered your guys' question. If you have any other questions about the REKE line of scopes, I encourage you guys to go over to our website and check out the product descriptions. And if you still can't find what you're looking for, shoot us an email. We'll answer those questions as fast as we can. We have incredible shipping and incredible customer service over at Midwest Optics, and I hope you guys come and check it out. Anyways, thank you guys so much and have a good day.